Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
SQL Server Integration Services, Classes and Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers. Part 61. How to redirect error output in a DataFlow task in SSIS. In this part of training, we are going to discuss about how to redirect error output in DataFlow task in SSIS. In an SSIS DataFlow task, you can redirect error output from most components such as sources, lookup, derived column, data conversions, etc. Redirecting errors lets you capture rows that fail processing. It is useful for logging, debugging, or cleaning bad data. For example, if you want to do this, first you have to edit the components in DataFlow task and open the error output tab. Set both error and truncation behaviors to rewrite a row. Connect the red error output arrow to destination, that is example error table or flat file. SSIS automatically adds error code and error column to help identify failures. Let us see these things step by step in SSIS. That is, here I am trying to create a new package which is called error output. To do that, I have a file which is located at D files, which is called error output source. Here ID, first name, last name, email, gender. This is the data that I am going to load into the target table. Here I am trying to connect to the flat file. For that, what I have to do, I have to take a flat file first. Here DataFlow task first. For that, to connect to the source, I have to take the flat file source. Why? Because our source file is CSV file. I'm trying to configure the flat file source. I'm trying to browse the file which is available at a D files, which is CSV file, error output underscore src. Here, coming to the columns, we are having different columns and data. And coming to the advanced, I would like to change this data type to 4-byte signed integer. Why? Because I'm just converting. Flat file reads the data into a string format, all the columns. Now I'm converting it to 4-byte signed integer. And first name, I'm leaving it as string and 50 bytes of length. Last name also same. Email also same. Gender, I'm trying to make the output column width to 1. Why? Because we have the data like F and M, that is female and male. That is why I'm taking this one. To check the error output as well, I'm just making it these things like this. ID, I have changed it to integer, and gender, the width, I have changed it to 1. Now if you preview the data, this is the data which is available here. Now I am trying to configure the OLEDB destination component. Here, before to do that, is there any table? There is no table, error output table. I am trying to create from the component itself. This is the server and database. I am trying to create the table and taking tabular view fast load. Here I am making this table as error output, and this is the table. And coming to the mappings also fine. In the first run, I am just running the data. Data has run successfully into the tables. If I execute this one, 1000 records got inserted into the data. Here in demo.GKey database, we have created a table called error output. That is, error output is the table, and just go and see the create script into new windows. Here, as per the create script, integer, the ID is integer column, and the gender is varchar, that is 1. We have given 1 as a value here. Now I am trying to make the truncation error first. That is, if you make the gender, here we are in a source and target, we are having 1 is the data type length. I am trying to change the length in the source column now, like source file. That too, for gender, we have made like this. For first ID 1, I am changing it to male, and ID 2 also male 3. We just find out the female thing, that is 9th record FE female. Okay, I'm just giving the truncation thing here. I'm just saving this file. Now I'm trying to run the package again. Now the package got failed. Let us see. This is the error that there was flat file source. There is a truncation error which is available from the source itself. Now what I'm trying to do is I want to capture this error output data into the separate table. For that, what I'm going to take, I'm taking OLEDB destination. From the flat file source, we'll be having a red output arrow. I'm just connecting it. Here it is a truncation error. Just shift and I'm selecting all things. Here in the fail component place, I'm taking redirect rows and I'm making apply. Here I would like to create another table, error output 1. We can say error output 1. It will capture the error records. Coming to the mappings, flat file source, error output, error code and error count. These are 3 columns which are going to be created for the package. Now I'm trying to run this package. It got successful and 2 error rows are inserted into the other table which is called error output 1. This is a table that we have created to capture the error data. We need to check what is the table name that we have given here. Error output 1. I just missed it. This thing. Okay. Now the first record and 9th record. We'll check that one. First record we have converted to male and 9th record we have converted. Why? Because the data type length for this is 1. We made changes and these error data captured in the output like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'll make another change, like for example, coming to the ID2, it is an integer data type. I'm just giving some, like I'm just converting it to the varchar data type. It should not accept. The error output should be redirected to error table. I'm saving the file. Here what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to connect this one again, error output. Here what we have to do is we have to select error things. Error. Previously we have captured the truncation errors. Now we are capturing the errors. And here also redirect rows. I'm applying it. Now I'm trying to run the package again. Now the package got successful. 3 rows got inserted into the error output. Now see. These are the 3 records, next 3 records, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. The second record with data type like data type error 2ASDF is got inserted into the error output 1 table. In this way, we can capture the error data by using error output which is from source in a data flow task. In this example, this is how we can use the different transformations in between also. From them, is there any error output data, we can capture them into the separate table and we can modify it according to the requirement. I think you got some idea about the error outputs in our data flow task. Thank you. Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.